I'm excited to share and announce the launch of Amazon Nova, which are our new state-of-the-art foundation models that deliver frontier intelligence and industry-leading price performance.
That was Andy, Amazon CEO, dropping a bombshell that's got OpenAI wondering, where did this come from? But before I got deep on that, let's get some perspective on AI. Did you know that in just 10 years, AI has gone from, I'll think about it, to, your grandma is asking about it and wanting to use it? Back then, being 5 years ago, about 50% of organizations were playing around with AI. Now it's a whopping 80%. Kind of like how everyone suddenly decided to become an influencer or a YouTuber. But let's not judge. On top of that, the AI market is set to blast past 2.5 trillion USD by 2032. That was trillion with T, not billion. We can say the tech world has definitely pulled another parabolic move in setting the path for the world to change forever again. We've moved so fast in the last 2 years that we're discussing the topic of picking the right AI model, and it can feel like trying to pick your favorite chocolate bar. By the way, Coffee Crisp is my go-to. What's yours? Now back to the main entree. Let's add another big name to the list of AI models, Amazon Nova, a family of models that do pretty much everything, from super fast text processing to creative content generation. And the best part about it is that they are 75% cheaper, and that will for sure make it a lot more interesting on how the other players will price things out.
So in this intelligence set of models, there are 4 flavors.
Today, I'll walk you through each Nova model and show you their applications in different industries.
Is Micro, which is a text-only model, which means you feed it text and it outputs text. It's laser fast, very cost-effective, and our internal builders are really enjoying it for a lot of their simple tasks.
As you heard from Andy, Amazon's CEO, the Amazon Nova Micro is fast, like the Formula One car of text processing. And it won't empty your wallet. If it had a tagline, it'd be, why wait when you can have it right now? Micro can handle over 200 tokens per second, which is quicker than your friend can ghost you in a group text. It also has a context window of 128,000 tokens, so it remembers everything, even if you start rambling about Trump's latest message on X. Here's a real-world application of Micro. Imagine a startup wanted to expand into 10 different countries in record time. They could use Nova Micro to translate their website, marketing materials, and product catalogs in just a few days. Way faster than they could order "We're open" signs in all those languages. The first multimodal model is Nova Lite.
Of multimodal models. And so multimodal models, you can input text or image or video, and you output text.
The decathlete of the Nova family. If Nova Micro is a sprinter, Nova Lite is a jack of all trades. Text, images, video, you name it. With 300,000 tokens in its context window, it basically forgets nothing, unlike me even forgetting where I parked my car at the mall. Drop a comment of the funniest story of something you've forgotten, and if it gets 1,000 likes, I'll send you a $10 Amazon gift card.
If I look at the Lite model, it's a very similar story, very competitive. If you compare Nova Lite to OpenAI's GPT-4o Mini, you can see that we're equal or better on 17 of the 19 benchmarks, equal or better on 17 of the 21 benchmarks versus Gemini.
For those running an insurance company that are swamped with claims, photos, and even videos of damages, Nova Lite can chew through them all, pull out the key details, and give you a summary. That will be revolutionary to that industry. Another example is an airline using Nova Lite to analyze passenger reviews, meal photos, and video testimonials. With those insights, they can improve everything from seat layouts to in-flight meals, making flying a little less cramped and a little more tasty. Now, let's talk about the super genius, Amazon Nova Pro. If Nova Micro is the speedster and Nova Lite is the multitasker, Nova Pro is that kid in class who always gets A+ and probably invented a new gadget in their spare time. Nova Pro also rocks a 300,000 token context window, but its accuracy is turned up to max. Perfect for complicated workflows like finance or healthcare, where messing up is not an option.
Same story. If you compare it to GPT-4o, it's equal or better on 17 of the 20 benchmarks. It's equal or better on 16 of the 21 benchmarks versus Gemini. The very best model in this class of models is Sonnet V2 3.5. But even here you can see that our Pro model is equal or better on about half of those, and on the ones that are not, it's very competitive, and you're going to like the cost and the latency characteristics.
Imagine you're a global financial firm with terabytes of market data. Nova Pro will swoop in like a detective, finding patterns, risks, and strategies faster than your entire research team combined. In healthcare, a hospital can use Nova Pro to analyze patient records, x-rays, and even videos to recommend next steps in minutes. It's like having an AI genius on speed dial. By the way, Nova Pro is also the teacher model that fine-tunes Nova Micro and Nova Lite. So it's the star quarterback, coach, and cheerleader all at once. And as for Nova Premier, all these Nova models.
And then our Premier model, which will be our largest multimodal model, will be available in the Q1 timeframe.
Plug right into Amazon Bedrock, the central hub where you can test, customize, and deploy AI across your entire business. It's like having a one-stop shop for all your AI needs. With Bedrock, you can easily roll out Nova Micro for real-time chats, Nova Lite for document analysis, Nova Pro for super smart predictions, Nova Canvas for eye-catching visuals, and Nova Reel for killer videos. No sweat required.
And then they're not just integrated, they're just not in Bedrock, but they're integrated deeply with all the features in Bedrock that any model provider can use. It's just that this team took the time to do them. And so that means that you get fine-tuning. Increasingly, a lot of our app builders for generative AI, they want to do fine-tuning with labeled examples to make the applications perform better. You'll also be, the Nova models are also integrated with the distillation feature that Matt just talked about, so you can infuse intelligence of bigger models into smaller models that are more cost-effective and lower latency. It's deeply integrated in Bedrock's knowledge bases so that you can use RAG to ground your answers in your own data. And then also, we have optimized these models to work with the proprietary systems and APIs so that you can actually do multiple orchestrated automatic steps, agentic behavior, much more easily with these models.
Beyond these 4 models that I just walked you through, they've also created 2 more models for those creative souls out there.
There's 2 more models for you. First is Amazon Nova Canvas, which is our state-of-the-art image generation model.
It generates studio-quality images from text prompts, no expensive design degree required. It can also do in-painting, out-painting, and background removal. So if you need to tweak an image or extend it, Nova Canvas has your back. Perfect for marketing peeps who want top-notch visuals in a snap, or for anyone who wonders what a unicorn riding a rainbow over pizza might look like in HD.
And we benchmarked this as well. We tried to benchmark it versus some of the other state-of-the-art players in this space. In this case, we picked, typically what people consider the 2 leaders here, which are, you'll see DALL-E 3 and Stable Diffusion 3.5. And we benchmarked on the 2 variables that matter most, which is image quality and instruction following. And you can see that Canvas outperforms both of them on both those dimensions.
Imagine a business looking to create an unforgettable ad campaign. Punch in your brand's colors and vibe, and Nova Canvas churns out stunning images. It's like having an art studio on call, minus the mess. Finally, let's talk about the king of content, video. And Amazon has got that covered too with Nova Reel. It helps you make videos straight from text prompts, so you can turn your ideas into pro-level clips without learning a million editing tools. So whether it's corporate training or an e-learning course.
So again, with Reel, it's studio quality video. It's really stunning videos that you can create. It gives you full control of the camera, lets you have motion control, lets you do panning, it lets you do 360-degree rotation and zoom. It also has built-in AI controls for safe AI, including watermarking and content moderation.
Nova Reel will turn boring text into engaging visuals. Because let's be real, everyone would rather watch a quick video than read a 50-page PDF. Sorry, Adobe, maybe PDF's days are getting numbered. So that's the Amazon Nova lineup: Micro, Lite, Pro, Canvas, and Reel. Whether you need lightning speed, mega multitasking, big brain analytics, jaw-dropping images, or slick videos, there's a Nova model for you. Drop your comments of what you think, or your grandma's AI stories. Thanks for watching, and catch you at the next one.